This is from my Frigidaire built-in microwave oven combo. This latch was taken out, this part here, because the one switch, micro switch, was slipping below this little catch right here. This plastic part was made incorrectly. You can see how far it deploys on the bottom, but on the right side it's pretty even. The left side, it's quite a bit indented. Here it is. You can see on the where the latch is supposed to catch the little switch. It's depressed. That makes the switch not work. On this side, you can see it's up quite a bit. What this means is this $5 part cost me 2 months of not having a microwave because we kept having to wait for another part to come in that turned out to be the wrong part. This looks like a manufacturing problem. This is the second latch they've put in less than a year. I really don't think they're paying attention to quality control.